This tutorial provides a brief description of the features under the CoStar Logo menu. The CoStar Logo serves two purposes. First, clicking on the logo will take you back to the home page, and second, it houses a menu of organizer features. Under the CoStar Logo, you will find the following menu items. The calendar opens a calendar feature for managing your daily schedule. Callbacks will load a list with filter options for finding and managing your callbacks. The system allows you to save specific search criteria after running a search to make it easier to run the same search again. From the Saved Searches menu item, you can view and rerun any of the searches you have saved. The system also allows you to save a set of records after running a search to make it easier to find those exact records again. From the Saved Sets menu item, you can view and open any of the saved sets you have created. Tasks will take you to a list with filter options for finding and managing tasks that are in your name or that you have permission to see. If you have any questions about any part of this tutorial series, you can contact our support team for more information.